What is up guys, Citrix is here, and today I am going to unbox this multimedia speaker 2.0, and let's start the video. So let's unbox the multimedia speaker 2.0 Hotmail best sound, and let's come in here and auto input USB power connection. You can connect your phone into this, and here is the red one, and here is some specifications. And now let's unbox. Here is the let's pull this out, and here is the speakers multimedia speaker 2.0, and here is the USB, and the aux is here. So let's test it. So let's play a song, and we are listening to the song and also testing the speakers. So I played the song, and thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video. Goodbye. With